Hi everyone. This video is particularly for to show the roadmap of full stack development. So, as a full stack developer who has going to the full stack development. So, what is the knowledge you should be having? Okay. So, see here for the jobs. So, job seekers on full stack development who having the skills like see here. So some of the companies are showing different type of job roles. So I'll show this Siemens company is required for the engineer role of full stack developer. Okay. So in this R&D team, and having the knowledge on the proficient in HTML, CSS, and writing browser compatible code. Okay, compatible code in the sense. So you should write the code responsive. Okay, and the next one is at least having the knowledge on the one framework of front end. It's a Angular. Okay, HTML, CSS. See here, JavaScript, MVC frameworks, including Angular. So as I discussed in the Django on backend development. Here I mentioned that MVT architect. Here MVC means model view controller architect. Next one, knowledge on the deployment on Docker means it's about the cloud, how to deploy the code inside of the Azure or else Amazon services. Okay. Next one, proven experience implementing of front end and back end technology because it is for the experience of 5 and 7 years of experience. Okay, so that you need to learn the excellent communication skills and critical thinker and problem solver along with the product and product quality improvement specialist on this role of full stack development. Here you can see the next 6 and 7 years of experience with JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. Okay, and along with he must have the knowledge on the Java, Spring, MVC, along with some object-oriented concept. And here you can see the experience on REST web services. So like API creations, so experience on the UI development kits and framework as well, and Agile and Scrum methodology. This is a real-time life cycle of the development life cycle. Okay, software development life cycles and Agile and Scrum methodology. You must understand. And next thing is scalable and reliable applications. So here in the full stack development backend, they are mentioned with some of the technologies C Sharp, .NET. Here in this FIS, here mentioned the backend with the Java. Next one. So coming to the Tata HTML, CSS, and for the UI, you without using CSS libraries like Material UI or familiar with React, JS, and have the fundamentals of TypeScripts, JavaScript concept, basic concepts on hooks, Redux part as well, and the backend should be C Sharp .NET. Okay, backend should be C Sharp .NET along with the proven experience in the field of full stack developer. So why I am showing all the things for to understand the full stack development. What is the development? So development is to write or is create the some of the features by using of the code. So full stack development, it's a part of front end, part of the website development along with the front end and back end. And also you must have the knowledge on the cloud to deploy the website. So coming to the full stack development, so it's a roadmap, okay? Roadmap. So first of all, front end we are using to develop and web applications, and back end you are using to deploy the application into the server and to store the data in the backend, like database. This is how we can use. Okay, so come to the next one. uh, in the full stack development, have you should must have the knowledge on the relevant technologies, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and you must have the knowledge on the JavaScript as well. And if you are having the React library, or else Angular is a added advantage. Okay, on the backend you must have the knowledge on the Django. So mostly you can see in the last C sharp .NET. Okay, at least having this Java knowledge, who are looking to develop a Spring Boot. Okay, so this is how we can. And then next one is at least one database, or else REST CRUD operations. So we can able to perform the CRUD operations by using of this front end. These are the front end technologies, front end, and also the back end technologies, and DB database. So how much time is required to learn these all the technologies? You select the first one is the React.js or else Angular.js. Decide your own. So in the front end, you are having HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript are main technologies, and JavaScript at least one library or else one framework. This is a library. The React is a library and Angular is a framework. Coming to the backend development, it won't take much time. If you want to learn the front end developer, if you want to become as a front end developer, you at least you must have the experience, at least 2 months of experience. 2 months of experience means for the practice you must put. So along with HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and along with the React JS, I am saying for the 2 months you can able to learn the technology. And here also the backend development, it is 1 month is required. 1 month is required to get the knowledge on the backend development code as well. So it mostly take 1 week of time to learn the SQL. How much time will take? 1 week. Okay. Hope you are all or understand how much time it will take. At least minimum or maximum 6 months of the time to complete all the technologies along with the practice. What I'm saying? Along with the practice. So in this first 2 months, you have the knowledge on the HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. You can able to develop the simple and complex applications. And coming to the backend development, you must have the 1 month of the knowledge. Means 1 month you need to practice and prepare for the backend technology. How we can perform the API, how we can create the APIs, how we can perform the operations on the APIs, request and response, how the API is works in real time, all the matters. Okay. Hope all are understand the full stack development roadmap. So if you have any doubt, you can ping me in the comment section. And Hope this content is helpful for you to become a full stack developer. So full stack developer roles and responsibilities are develop, design the website and develop the features on the front end and to fix the bugs during the production environment. He or she must have the knowledge on the agile or else scrum master, like that type of experience also you should have. Okay, hope this is helpful for you. Thank you everyone. Please share your friends this complete roadmap who are preparing for the full stack development. And if you want to take my help, you should mention in the comment section. I will able to help you. Thank you everyone. All the best.